This is the ViVi Therapy's dreaming table. It's dreaming memory foam on our website, and it has 4 inches of memory foam and regular foam. The comfort level of this table is fantastic. You can see how it's just bouncing back. You know, there's no way that you'll ever have any buckling of your naga hide here. This vinyl covering is polyurethane. It's very high quality, low toxicity kind of covering. It comes in a variety of colors. I would like to explain the features of the face cradles that you can buy from ViVi Therapy. We have this one, which is what we call our ergonomic resin face cradle, because it actually has a lower front to it. You can see how there's a wave of where the cushion goes in. Now what this helps is it helps people's cervical spine from not hyperextending while they're laying on their front with their head on the cushion. A bicycle lock, or a seat lock. It just turns like this, and I recommend anyone who buys a table from us or one of these cradles to keep this tight at all times. Right from the get-go, if you keep this tight, you won't wear your ratchets that actually allow the locking mechanism of making your table go up or your cradle go up and down. So that is something that one has to pay attention to. And it comes with this fantastic armrest. It's one of the best armrests that we make. And the way that you would put that on is just, you can adjust the levels of your armrest like that. Pop it into here. And then you just put your Velcro around like that, and at the moment this is hanging quite nicely, and you can see how there's not too much side-to-side movement, and the cushion goes there. This is no lines for the forehead. The contour of the foam underneath has been cut in such a way that the face fits very comfortably in there. There's a large hole for breathing. And of course, this is a multi-adjustable face cradle, so I can lift it up for larger chested people, barrel-chested men, larger breasted women, and I can also individually just kind of adjust, you know, whatever angle I want, depending on, you know, what would make the client most comfortable. So this is a great table if you like to do a lot of deeper work, a lot of mobilizing. If you've got older clients who feel vulnerable on a narrow table, this table is 32 inches wide. Very, very happy with it. It comes with an amazing case, lots of straps, ergonomic carrying. And I mean, if you are assessing the height that you want your table to be at, it's a good idea to stand beside the table and actually just sort of estimate where your knuckles are. So if your knuckles are at the top of the table, obviously this height is good for me. But then you would have to consider how large your person was, right? So if you get sort of a bigger person, then you might want to drop your table down lower. You can slide this piece right here up and down to make it whatever height you want. This table can go quite high and quite low. It could go down as low as probably about 22 inches and up as high as I think about 38 or 39 inches. So the table also has 2 receptacle ends for the face cradle and armrest, so you can actually put something else here like a table extender, and the table extenders are good for just adding an extra 6.5 inches to your table. Also, you can use them for craniosacral work, so that if you have your elbows on the table, you know, you haven't had to sort of move in so much. You just can pop in that, and then, you know, the person's head's maybe here, so you have lots of room. Yeah, these tables have been very, very popular. We originally built bamboo tables that we called our dreaming table, and as we are no longer building those, we have transitioned to this beautiful table. So the price point again is amazing. We are our own manufacturers. We have our own brand here on the West Coast, and so the price point you won't find anywhere else for this quality of table.